What is a smart thermostat?
The smart thermostats are advanced devices that control your home's heating and cooling systems. Unlike traditional thermostats, they connect to your Wi-Fi and can be managed remotely using a smartphone, tablet, or computer. Their intelligent technology allows for automated temperature adjustments based on your schedule and habits, making it easier to maintain comfort and efficiency throughout your home.
How do smart thermostats save energy?
Smart thermostats automatically adjust temperature settings to match your daily routine. They can learn when you're home or away and lower energy use when you don't need full heating or cooling. This reduces unnecessary energy consumption, helping you save money on utility bills while using less power, all without sacrificing your comfort.
What features make them effective?
Features like learning algorithms, geofencing, and occupancy sensors are key. Learning algorithms remember your preferred temperatures and schedules. Geofencing uses your phone's location to detect when you leave or return home, adjusting settings automatically. Occupancy sensors can detect when rooms are empty and further optimize energy use as needed.
Can you control them remotely?
Absolutely. One major advantage of smart thermostats is remote access. Using a smartphone app, you can adjust the temperature in your home from anywhere. This means you can make changes while on vacation or before arriving home, ensuring comfort and energy savings with just a tap.
How much can you save?
Savings vary by household, but studies suggest that smart thermostats can reduce heating and cooling costs by around 10% each year. The actual amount depends on your home's size, climate, and usage patterns. Over time, these savings add up, making smart thermostats a practical investment for energy-conscious homeowners.
Are they difficult to install and use?
Most smart thermostats are designed for easy installation and user-friendly operation. While some may need professional installation, many models include clear instructions for do-it-yourself setup. Once installed, intuitive controls and guided setup through smartphone apps make adjusting settings and schedules simple for everyone.